Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. So, today I want to talk about the importance of communication in our daily lives. Did you know that effective communication can improve relationships and increase productivity? Well, today we'll be discussing why communication is key to enhancing our skills. First, let's define what communication is. Communication is not just about speaking, it's about conveying ideas, emotions, and information clearly and effectively. It involves both verbal and nonverbal cues. Effective communication helps us connect with each other, express our thoughts and feelings, and understand the world around us. One key aspect of communication is active listening, means paying full attention to the speaker, understanding their message, responding thoughtfully, and remembering the information shared. By practicing active listening, we can build trust and foster stronger relationships. For example, when our friend is sharing their problems, giving them our undivided attention and providing constructive feedback shows that we care about their well being. Another important aspect is nonverbal communication. Our body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice play a huge role in how our message is perceived. For instance, maintaining eye contact shows that you are engaged and interested in the conversation. On the other hand, crossing your arms or avoiding eye contact can give a negative impression. Being aware of these nonverbal cues can help us convey our messages more accurately and effectively. Lastly, empathy is crucial for effective communication. By putting ourselves in someone else's shoes, we can better understand their feelings and respond appropriately. Empathy helps us connect on a deeper level and foster compassion and understanding. For example, if our colleague is stressed about a project deadline, showing our empathy by offering support or advice can greatly improve their morale and productivity. In conclusion, communication is essential for building relationships, solving problems, and achieving goals. By practicing active listening, being aware of nonverbal cues, and showing empathy, we can all improve our communication skills. Remember, effective communication makes a world difference. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this insight will help you enhance your communication abilities.